Well, we have our SmartPi assistant working now. So the final project for the MAS.863, how to make almost anything, is basically to build this SmartPi assistant that would improve my productivity by reviewing my emails, calendar events, as well as weather, and tell me what I need to do. That's important. And currently the Raspberry Pi Pico W based PCB board is driving a hub 75 connector to the LED display, 64 by 64 LED display. It also has a amplifier breakout board which is connected to a speaker which is making those alert sounds. We'll try and get it to actually speak out the message as well. And then finally we have a microphone